everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik again. So how are you guys doing? I think you are all doing pretty well because our plan yesterday hit the target and it was really beautiful. Okay, so today I'll give you a little recap on yesterday's plans and we will make a new one together. Alright, so let's go straight to the charts. So here we go. If you remember, I gave you the buying plan at 1755 to 1750 and the selling plan at 1770. And what happened was the gold chose to come down first. So we hit our first buying plan. And if you got the order, you will need to add a little bit more up for the spread. Alright, so if you put the order for about like 1754 or even 1755 point something, your order would be executed. Alright, and the price go back up really strongly. That's 2,100 points. Alright, do we still consider selling at 1770? I say no. Why is that? Because we usually have two plans, one for buying and one for selling, right? So if the price shows one side, we will need to cancel the other plan. So for yesterday, the price chose to come back down, so we got our buying plan. Therefore, we will need to cancel our selling plan. Alright, so that's the trick if you're following us on our videos. Alright, so I will remove all the drawings and we will start with a new day. So let's go to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, yesterday's candlestick was closed as a bullish one with quite a lot of strong buying power as well. However, I would say that since we've arrived, I say, so the price touched this supply zone in the daily time frame, and this supply zone is very strong as well. It is very fresh with a lot of, selling power there. You can, tell from this imbalance here. However, it is a bullish, yes, but it has kind of like a reversal pattern as well. So I would say at this point we have two charts as well. So the first one is that this candlestick is actually the reversal bar, so the price would continue to drop down. However, we do have another chance that the price is forming a base here to, test and remove this supply zone. So don't go 100% on any side at the moment because it is a little bit conflicting. However, we can zoom in the smaller time frames for our plan today. Okay, so our plan today, let me put my indicator up. So I need the RSI to check the momentum first. So the momentum is quite still going strong for buying. So the first plan, let me check this swing green. Okay, so the buying plan, I would say that it is going to be the same one. This is the super hidden divergence that we had in our course, but I will move a little bit up, so it would be around 1755 to 1750. Alright, it's actually should not go anywhere below 1753. However, it is the gold behavior that sometimes it slips off a little bit and then use the significant levels. Alright, so that's the buying plan because this swing low is pretty significant. It sends the price up to make even a higher high than the high yesterday's. Alright, what about the selling plan? For the selling plan, I would say that we will need to use the Fibonacci extension here. And what I've got for you, okay, so that's the first entry point, that's the second one, but if you can see, the second one is actually outside the zone, so I would not suggest anyone, okay, to trade outside the supply zone for selling. So my plan at this point would be at around 1778 to 1780. Okay, however, for the selling plan, since the momentum is quite going strong for buying, you need to be really careful. I would need to see this kind of patterns going on. So the price is making a higher high and the RSI is making a lower low, and please be under 70. Alright, that's the condition for selling, because it is still very dangerous if you're going for selling. Alright, so that's the plan for today. I hope it's easy to understand and I hope you learned something new from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Oh, and if you haven't joined me in the BUBI project, please join me. I'll leave the registration link down below. You need to register through our website and we will let you in on our Telegram. Alright, so I'll see you in there. Bye!